Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the WordPress. Today we are going to learn about the custom API endpoint to fetch all the users. Okay, the last two videos we have discussed about the how to fetch all the posts, the how to fetch the post via category ID. Now we are coming with the new tutorial that is custom API endpoint to fetch all the users. Okay, so this is our register. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So here we have the custom API V1 and the endpoint is user. So this is the endpoint and this is the get request. This is the callback, get all users. So get all users, we have to write the logic. Okay. So here get all user, retrieve all the posts. Okay. Retrieve all the users, right? Check if the users exist or not. If empty, then it will show that no users found, array status 404. If the users found, then we are going to have a formatted users array, prepare and return the users data with ID, username, email, and the name. Okay, let's see, save this and return that formatted users. Okay, so let's go and check the endpoint also. So this is slash users. If I go over here, I think the first one, this is users. Let's try to send this one. And if I go over here, the user section, here we have the users like admin 1 2 3 4 5 5 users are there. Admin Rajni 90 and Rajni this. Okay, all the data is there. Okay, so this is how you are able to fetch the users in the WordPress using the custom REST API. Any doubt, any query, to let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.